What's the meaning of boundary? Boundary. Boundary.
Boundary. Boundary. Boundary refers to the line or limit that separates one thing from another. It is a demarcation point between two separate entities, whether they be physical spaces, conceptual categories, or other distinctions. Boundaries can be useful in defining and clarifying relationships, creating structure and order, and fostering healthy interactions between people and things. However, they can also be sources of conflict and division, particularly when they are arbitrary or unfairly imposed. Overall, boundary represents the threshold between what is inside and what is outside, and plays an important role in shaping our understanding and experience of the world around us.